The Peak Rimless is a revolutionary, pure flush, rimless toilet suite that makes your life more hygienic and healthy. Unlike traditional suites, water doesn't flow inside the rim because there is no rim. The Peak Rimless features an innovative and advanced rimless design that completely eradicates germs. There's nowhere for them to hide or grow, just beautifully smooth inner walls absent of any nooks or angles. And with a nano-coated double-glazed vitreous china bowl, the entire surface is easy to clean, making it more hygienic. The Peak Rimless uses advanced flushing technology, which contains and controls the water flow to produce a superior whole bowl clean that is both powerful and quiet. With its innovative design, which also features a soft-closing, quick-release seat, the Peak Rimless is one of the most advanced wall-faced closed couple toilet suite in the market today.